A lot of people think that the days of email are behind us with the rise of platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, but they couldn't be more wrong. An email is one of the most powerful marketing tools that you can have, and in this video, I'm going to explain exactly why. I'll also break down 2 of the best email marketing strategies that will bring in more money for you in 2024. Let's get started. So first things first, what exactly is email marketing? Email marketing is a really effective way to promote your business. It's when you send emails to people to tell them about your products or services. These emails can help your customers know about new things you have, like sales or special offers. They can also help you build relationships with customers by keeping them interested in what you offer. There are different kinds of email marketing. Each one has its own purpose and way of connecting with your audience. Let's take a look at some of them. Welcome emails. These say hello to new customers and tell them more about what you offer. Sometimes they even give a trial or a bonus to try out. Newsletter emails. These are popular and usually talk about new products or services. They might also have articles, blogs, or reviews from other customers. There's usually something for the reader to do, like read a new blog post or check out a new product. Lead nurturing emails. These are sent to a specific group of people who are interested in something you offer. They get a series of emails that give them more information or special deals to encourage them to buy. Confirmation emails. When someone signs up for emails or buys something online, they might get a confirmation email. This makes sure they know their information was received. It can also let them know that their purchase went through successfully. Dedicated emails. These are sent to a specific part of your email list, like people who recently bought something or haven't bought anything in a while. Invite emails. These tell people about events, new products, or seminars. Companies send these when there's something special happening to get people interested. Promotional emails. These are sent to a lot of people and are usually about new products or deals. They're meant to keep people aware of what you offer. Seasonal marketing emails. Companies send these around holidays or special occasions to let people know about sales or promotions happening at that time. Each type of email marketing has its own purpose, so it's important to choose the right one for your company and your goals. Now that you have a better understanding of what email marketing is, let's talk about 2 specific email marketing strategies that are working extremely well in 2024. The first strategy is all about incorporating Loom into your email outreach. And this is especially perfect for B2B businesses or personal brands looking to deepen connections with their email audience. As an example, let's say that you have a recruitment software that you want to sell to businesses. Here's the general outline of what you're going to do. First, you're going to create a list of the emails of all the prospects that you would want to work with. In this example, you'll probably want to target recruitment companies or the human resources departments of larger companies. You can find them on LinkedIn, hire a freelancer to collect the data, and so on. Once you have their details, you'll want to send a semi-personalized email just explaining how you think you could help them with your software. I'll talk more about personalization a little later. The main goal is to get them to book a demo or call. Now, in the past, you could straight up ask for the prospect to book a call or demo, but in 2024, things are changing. You need to actually send potential clients some value or point of familiarity to make them want to book a call with a complete stranger. The specific strategy I'm talking about is a personalized Loom strategy. Here's how it works. Instead of asking for the prospect to book a call or demo in your first email, end your first email with, "Would you be happy for me to send over a quick 2-minute Loom outlining exactly how our software can save 100 hours a week for you?" Chances are the prospects are far more likely to say yes to watching a quick Loom than committing time to a call with a stranger. Of course, then you have to create the Loom, which is a lot like a sales pitch. You, or someone else, gets on camera and explains your offer, keeping it personalized, direct, short, and sweet. At the end of your Loom, that's when you go in to book a call. The chances of getting calls booked will be way higher this way because the prospect is more familiar with you and your offer, and they're also more educated on what you have to offer, so the sales calls are way more likely to be successful. This technique is absolutely going to crush it in 2024, and I recommend that you get in there early, especially if you have a B2B business or if you're a cold email outreach agency doing this on behalf of clients. make sure that you have a Loom system incorporated in your email marketing strategy. Now, the second email marketing strategy is stepping away from B2B businesses and is more general. This year, we're going to be seeing a lot more personalization in emails, and the reason behind that is quite straightforward. You're far more likely to get results if the person you are emailing feels as though you are talking directly to them rather than blasting out an email to thousands of people. But of course, it can take a ridiculous amount of time and manpower to truly personalize every single email, especially when your email list grows. That's where segmented personalization comes in. This technique is becoming popular amongst email marketers who know what they're doing, but it's still low-key enough for you to implement and use to stand out from your competition. So let me explain what segmented personalization is. Email segmentation means splitting up your email list into smaller groups based on different factors like age, location, or what people are interested in. This helps you send emails that are more relevant to each group. And when your emails are relevant, people are more likely to pay attention to them. If you send emails that don't match what people are interested in, they might not read them. If this happens a lot, they might even decide to stop getting emails from you altogether. To keep people interested in your emails, you need to think about segmentation as a big part of your email strategy. When you segment your audience, you can send them emails that feel more personal and fit what they're looking for. The more you do this, the better chance you have of turning people into customers and keeping them coming back. Here are some different ways you can use segmentation. General segmentation. This is something every email marketer should do. You split your list based on basic things like age, gender, or where people live. B2B segmentation. If you're selling to other businesses, you can use things like lead scoring to figure out how interested someone is in what you're offering. E-commerce segmentation. If you're selling products online, you can look at what customers have bought before to figure out what they might like in the future. Internal communication segmentation. This is useful for companies to send emails to their employees. You can send different messages to different groups of people depending on what they need to know. Direct-to-consumer segmentation. Companies that sell directly to consumers, often on a subscription basis, can send emails based on how long someone has been a customer or what kind of subscription they have. Segmentation is what will allow you to find the sweet spot between making your emails personalized and being time efficient enough to crank up the volume of your emails. So those are two email marketing strategies that I've been keeping a close eye on, which are going to be booming in 2024. You can use these strategies to start up an email marketing agency of your own in 2024, or you can use these strategies for your businesses. Either way, you absolutely have to incorporate them into your email marketing system and bring in more money in 2024. I hope you found this video helpful. If so, I'd really appreciate it if you like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this.